Welcome back, Daily Family. Today I'm going to go over my training gallery. Got a couple of subscribers that asked, hey man, we see you got some cards that you already pulled beforehand. How about you show us some of the training gallery? So I'm going to go over just a few of the training gallery ones that I really like a lot, and hope you enjoy it. First of all, my favorite Pokemon of all, Charizard. That's a real cool card. Really cool one. I really like that training gallery. And then I got a Jolteon. Really like Jolteon. He's really bright, real standing out Pokemon. And then I got a Vaporeon. Real nice card art. Like that one also. It goes to Milotic. It's a really nice one too. And I got a Iron Deer. It's a nice card also. I really like this card. A lot of people don't like it, but I actually like it. The card art makes you look at it twice and really visualize what's going on the card art. Real nice. Apple. Then you have the Jinx. Like how it's set in a more darker tone background with the lighting. It's real nice. Then you got a Rockruff. This is more of a looking at this card is really enjoyable, especially if you have a pet or so. I just like how it simplifies the unity of the trainer and its Pokemon. It's real nice. I actually have this card twice. I think it might be behind this one. Alterian, let's see. Yeah, I actually got two of them. Maybe one day I'll trade one, get one graded and then get rid of the other. Maybe just keep both. It's a real nice card art also. Then it goes into the VMAX, the Crobat. I really like this one, real aggressive look to it. Like you get out there, you cast them and get out there. A lot of people like this card a lot. Then I have this one, looks like they're breakdancing and fighting at the same time. It's a real nice one. And then going into some more of my other place, I actually have a box full of them. I have the Venusaur, the Charmeleon, the Kingdicon, the Nidoking, however that. I actually have two Snorlax from the promo, 151 promos. Those are real nice also. Nice card, nice how you sleeping. To Daisy's Help. Giovanni's Charisma. It's a real nice card, a real laid back, nice looking card there. To Geta. Also is a real nice card art, nice full art card. Nice rainbow art. Lyra. It's a nice one. To a Vulpix. V-Star. These are two energies. Hollow Energy, Gold. Those are really nice also. To a Poncho. Gold. I really like the card on this one. I really like this one a lot. How it blends in. It's a real nice one. Wu Chen. It's a nice card also. A lot of people like this card. It's another great card I have. Really like they look like those are eyes poking out at you. Real nice card. Fine. Nice. I have a Venusaur EX, Blastoise EX, and a Arbok EX. Real nice cards. Probably rank them somewhere around like this. If I had to out of these 3 cards. It's real nice though. Our EX. Took me a while to like this card, but I really like how it looks like it's busting out of the hollow, the picture. Real nice card though. Then I got a couple of promo cards here. Real nice. EX. Have there. Those are also nice. Then on this side, I think I have on my Radiant Stilex. Radiant. Put on my Radiant. I love my Radiant cards. That's real nice also. Another Radiant. It's a real nice one also. A lot of people seek these Radiants and really collect those. I also do too. To another Radiant. Real nice card. Actually I have 2 of these Radiant ones. Real nice card arts. To my VMAXs. A lot of people ask for this card to try to get this card. Just love it. Another one. Nice card. I love this card, this Kingler. I'm actually a Cancer myself, so this card is really cool to have the big crab and how it hits it. Really hits home for me. Nice card, like how it blings off the top. Reminds me of Valentine's Day right here. A lot of love in the air. Took me a while to realize what this was, but it came. It's a real nice card also. Same as this. It's very nice. I actually love this card. It's Blissey. I like how they have it all detailed out. Nice flare to a nice bang. Always been a nice looking card in any arts or any form. I love this card. This one right here. It's alright card. Decent artwork. It's a lot going on in one spot though, but still a nice card. This is a pretty cool card. This one right here, I ain't gonna lie, kind of caught me off guard. Look like an old school Super Soaker, if you know what that is. A lot going on in that video, if you know what I mean. Magnet Zone has always been cool. Always been a cool card. Heck yeah, I like how this card is. Looks real aggressive. And it flares out at you. It's another one, Real good card art, real good environment. Just is what it is and gives you what it is. I actually don't like this card. It's kind of weird. A lot of people like it. Got a lot going on. Pokemon is just a weird Pokemon. It's a good card. This one right here is also a decent card to have. Really cool they put them in there like that. Actually got two of them. And if you have the Sam's exclusive heavy hitters box, you actually, so like I told you before, I pulled this box, I think I want to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times I did this box, and I keep those. And it also comes with the carry-up 5 times. All good card arts. These are not promo cards. They are in the promo box as a promo card, but they are not the actual promo card. These are actually the card from the set, so that's good to have. That's why I have so many. So with that, those are my hits for now. I've only been at it for about a month now, and I have a lot more cards. And just specifically, if I could keep these separate, because these be cards that I either sell, trade, or grade, and I'll pick a few from that and see what it does from there. And with that, I have all these different ones. Just glance through them one more time a little bit. Really nice. Then through these, try to skip over all those. Got a couple of doubles that I'll make trades, either sell or grade one and then do something with the other. Yeah, really good cards. Then your Radiant cards. So there you have it. If anybody wanted to know, just a little fragment of what I have in Arsenal. That's it. Until next time, peace.